Namaste everyone. Today we are going to learn about cuts. But first we'll learn what are the effects of cuts in Vastu Shastra and what are the remedies to balance them. Cuts are basically those areas which are not under our control. That means in a plot, if there is a walls, there is a land which is not under your control. At that situation we can understand that's a cut. In cut, basically any direction, those attributes, those benefits will not connect to you. That means in Vastu Shastra, each direction, what benefits you will achieve in your life, you can check in the description below. But in a short brief, if we learn, that's basically northeast direction is the direction which gives you ideas, vision, knowledge, students' education, everything is connected to northeast. East is the social connection, society name, society fame. Southeast is connected to your liquid cash, your turnover, your assets, your luxury. Then south is connected to your name and fame, your brand. Southwest is connected to your relationship and savings. For example, if we understand in a plot, if there's a southwest cut, at that situation, the relationship, your savings, your trust factor with every person starts lacking. That means those energies does not connect to you. At that situation, we can understand there's a southwest cut and we have to balance. If we move on forward, then west direction is connected to your west fulfillment. Northwest is the zone of support and peace of mind because the moon energies are connected from here. And north direction is the zone of opportunities. That means for a businessman and a job person, north should be well balanced because this is the zone which gives you opportunities, which gives you client footfall. Both are important for your career growth. But if there is a cut in north direction, this benefit starts lacking in your life. At that situation, the best remedy to use is geopathic rods. In north direction, north is considered as water element and water is connected to aluminium. So the metal used in this rod is aluminium. Similarly, there are other 5 elements. Each element is connected to some metal and that metal is used as a geopathic rod. Inside there are natural crystals filled. In north, the particular devtas, the planet vibration, that's Mercury, and element, that is water. So these 3 conditions, keeping in mind, we have filled the crystals related to that. So whenever you place this geopathic rod on the floor in north direction, those vibrations starts activating because of the cut, the which energies are suppressed. By placing geopathic rod on the floor, those energies starts improving. So geopathic rods are considered one of the best remedies to balance your cuts in any direction. If there is not a cut, then also you can place geopathic rods so that the ground energies, the ground vibration starts activating and those zone benefits, that's basically which we learned now, starts connecting with you. So geopathic rods are basically used to balance cuts, to balance negative energies, and there is nothing but then also you're not achieving those benefits. At that situation also geopathic rods can be used according to Vastu Shastra. But there is a complete one rule that you have to place the rod on the floor. If you place it in a height, it will not activate because this is a Geo Vastu. Geo is basically earth. So you have to place this on earth, then only those energies starts activating. So if you want to order this to balance the cuts of your home, you can contact in the number given below. Along with this, you can surely comment any queries or any doubts if you have related to Vastu Shastra, numerology or astrology. You can comment those in your comment section so that we'll read that thoroughly and the next video will be made according to that. In addition, you can subscribe our channel so that any information related to occult science will never be missed, because through small remedies, how can we create positive karmas, how can we transform our life, this all information we will learn in our channel. So do subscribe my channel. Or if you want to check the Vastu of your plan, you can surely send the plan in the number given below. After consultation, all the remedies will be provided in our shop. And if you have a query related to Vastu Shastra, like how Vastu can transform our life, how occult science supports you to achieve any goals and targets, that means through our ancestors, that our surrounding should be always with the strong people, with the powerful and influential people, because how our surrounding will be there, our brain patterns, our brain frequencies starts adapting it. That's why the same logic is connected to Vastu Shastra. That means in Vastu, if you follow the rules and regulations, our surrounding supports us to achieve all that goals and targets. Along with this, we'll learn 350 plus remedies in our course. That's basically your budget friendly remedies, your religious, any religion you are connected, through which remedies you can use or which you can avoid. And according to your country, like which place you stay. So this all remedies will be taught in our class. Along with this, basic to advanced, that means if you are now beginner to professional Vastu consultant, what are the knowledge required to pursue it, we'll learn in this course. Along with this 45 devtas, that's basically advanced part, but in this course it's included because devtas are pinpoint solution. That means after balancing the 16 zones, if you're not achieving those results which you want, at that situation you can activate those 45 devtas to get the great result. And aura scanners and pendulums, these are basically Vastu tools through which we can sense the energy, or any queries that's like yes or no, that all questions can be solved through aura scanners. Let's give an example. Like if you have a product, you have to use this or you have to avoid this. which remedies are most effective, which has the most positive energies, or the remedy placement we have to place here or place here. This all doubts we can clarify through aura scanners and pendulums. So this complete content we'll learn in our course. If you want more information, you can check in the description link or contact the number given to enroll in this course.
In our showroom, you'll receive more than 2000 plus variety of Vastu products such as radium tapes and metal strips, Sampurna Vastu Gyan Chakra, helix, aura bolsters, and different type of protectors through which energies can be balanced. Toilet protectors, kitchen, main door protectors, lucky cards, Pyra cards, many type of crystal bracelets can be made as a customized for you, and Vastu Swastik pyramid and Pakwas, many type of crystal variety of trees, pyramids such as lead, metal, crystal, plastic, 9 planet pyramids, lockets, Rashi lockets, Pakwas, Ashtamirrors, dome mirror, geopathic rods, semi-precious stone, pendulums, healing products such as tumbles, crystal chips, crystal stones, crystal ball, malas, 7 chakra products, cashbox pyramids, aura scanners and complete set, yantras, brass idols, salt, rock salt lamps, healing posters such as many type of posters can be available in our shop.
Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel so that any information will never be missed through you. And we all can transform our life in a better way. Thank you.